box. Number 2 is Entina X40 Basic IDEX 3D printer. The Entina X40 Basic IDEX 3D printer is an optimistic choice for anyone craving a splash of vibrant creativity in their 3D printing adventures. Bursting with excitement, this printer is your ticket to a world of multicolor magic. Imagine the possibilities with its independent dual extruders, offering not one but 4 fantastic modes. Moreover, this printer boasts a spacious build volume larger than life, giving your imagination room to roam. Craft models up to a colossal 11.8 by 11.8 by 15.7 inches. It's like having a mini factory right at your fingertips. The Entina X40 is a breeze to use, thanks to its auto-leveling wizardry. Whether you're a pro or a newbie, it's got your back. Navigate its user-friendly 4.3-inch touchscreen with ease. And let's remember the PEI spring steel magnetic platform. It's your secret weapon for easy model removal and durability. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it.